Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will unboxing the Casio watch model Mtp-1375D-1A2. Let's get started. The Casio Mtp-1375D is a stylish and reliable timepiece designed for everyday wear. This model features a sleek stainless steel bracelet, offering both durability and a modern look. The blue dial with white circles and gold small hands gives this watch a distinctive look. Key features include analog display. The watch provides clear timekeeping with hour, minute, and second hands. Date display. A convenient date window is located at the 3 o'clock position. Chronograph functionality. It includes 3 subdials for measuring time intervals, adding to its versatility. Water resistance. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday activities like hand washing and light swimming. Quartz movement. The watch is powered by a precise quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping. The Casio Mtp-1375D combines functionality with style, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and attractive watch. With the upper right button, you move the small hand for the days of the week. With the lower right button, you move the small hand for the day of the month. The left circle is an AM/PM indicator. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches.